So yeah. What is your favorite type of nature? Just close your eyes and then think about, the first thing in nature that you see. Could be the beach, could be the forest, could be a desert, the mountains. All right, we're gonna watch this video that I found. Does anybody use Vimeo? Vimeo? I like it because it's more artistic. People post like short movies, short animations. It's a place for artists and creators to kind of share their amazing works. There's lots of great little videos. If you're just like bored and you want to watch something that makes your brain just explode, check out Vimeo. All right. But now we're going to check out this video. Check it out.
Εδώ, έξω, δεν είσαι μόνος, ούτε ξεχωριστός. Δεν έχεις έλεγχο, ούτε λόγο σε αυτά που συμβαίνουν γύρω σου. Νομίζεις ότι ήρθες για να πάρεις, αλλά θα σου δοθεί. Είναι λίγες και πολύτιμες οι στιγμές αυτές. Νιώθεις και βλέπεις ένα νέο κόσμο να ανοίγεται μπροστά σου. Το μόνο που μπορείς να κάνεις είναι να κλέψεις μερικές ματιές. Εδώ, έξω, εμείς οι λίγοι δεν έχουμε αυταπάτες. Περιμένουμε, υπομένουμε και ελπίζουμε να μας δοθεί εκείνη η μαγική στιγμή που θα γίνουμε μέρος αυτού του αέναου κύκλου.
From, I think, Macedonia, Thrace. All right. So we're going to try something new today, something I taught your teachers last night. We're going to share on Google Slides. So I'm going to show you how to do it first. If you never used Google Slides before, this is Google Slides. It's like PowerPoint, but it's on the internet. It's not as powerful. Doesn't have to be. But it lets you work together. So we have these squares. I'm going to make some more for you. And then I want you to write something. I don't know. What about me? I like the mountains. Because I gotta make these smaller. Go down to 9. All right. Let's go down to 9. I like the mountains because they are hard to reach and have wonderful views. Always a wonderful view wherever. And right here, there's this insert image button. It looks like a mountain, go ahead and click that. If you have a photo on your computer or phone, great. You can upload it, or you can just search the internet for whatever your favorite kind of mountain is. What is my favorite type of mountain? I don't know, something like this. I used to go snowboarding a lot. Don't make it that big. Just try to make it smaller. Maybe just put it next to your little image. And write your name if you'd like. Alright? We're just doing this little, it's a little board that we have. I'll put mine down here. So yeah, this is Google Slides. We're gonna practice. We're gonna use this in class. You're gonna maybe do an assignment with this. Okay. So that's it. I'm gonna send that link. Just click on that link. If you're on your computer, wonderful. If you're on your smartphone, you might need to download these apps. Okay. So instead of all those photos or whatever, whoops, download some apps for class. So yeah, somebody's in here, Mr. Sheep, Anonymous Sheep. Grab a piece of paper. Let me change all these to 9. We got 2. Ooh, this one's the coolest one. The Nyan Cat. Welcome. So grab one of these squares. I'll just throw them everywhere. I'll make some more. You can change the color of the square if you get smart and clever. I'm gonna change my color. How do I do that? This button. I'm gonna go with yellow. Yeah. All sorts of things. So go ahead. You're inside here. If you can grab one of these squares, you can just move it anywhere you want. I'm gonna keep making more. Oh, you grabbed my square. Nice. All right. So the Nyan Cat. Sorry about that, Nyan. Write what your favorite nature is and why. Got lots of squares. And yeah, it's important to be active. Ooh, that pine forest, nice. Okay, and notice that, yeah, there you go. See, it shows you when you spell something wrong. 2 R's, 1 R. What a difficult thing. Nice. Who are you? Nyan Cat. Makes me peaceful. Makes you feel peaceful. Okay? I hope you're a peaceful person. But you can even have more peace by feeling peaceful. A place that makes you feel peaceful. Yeah. I hope, because usually when we say somebody is peaceful, we say that they don't like to kill people. Like a peaceful country, right? But when something makes you feel peace or peaceful, it's even more, it's extra. Because you can be peaceful, like you don't kill people, and then you can also be, and that's peace, right? There's 2 types of peace. One you get from nature. You can write your name if you'd like. You don't have to. You can add an image. So if you want to post a little picture here. Yeah. Come on. You can find a picture if you'd like. Let me help you. I'm going to do that. Let's put a pine forest here. All right? Which one do you like? Ooh. I do like pine forest. I love this view. Yeah, And yeah, you are gonna learn much better when you practice, because your brain, that's how it works. You're welcome. Thank you. So if you want to add an image, right here, there's text box, there's images. You can add anything. I love flowers. Ooh. We have this thing in California, the California bloom, every spring, early spring. There's just wildflowers everywhere. Look at that. That's California. Ooh. And there, we call it the super bloom. I'm gonna just save this image. Save image. Onto my desktop. I love flowers and trees because it relaxes me. I'm gonna put that flower picture for you. Where can you find flowers and trees? What kind of trees? We got so many different types. Upload from computer. Yeah. Where did it go? No. Not balloon. It's gone. I'm sad. Save image again. I did it. I did it. Oh. There you are. Oh, you didn't. Oh. Oh. So yeah, if you're here, do something. I'm gonna add. Can I just drag you in, dude? Yeah, look at that. Just drag it in. Cool. Cause it relaxes me. I'm gonna just put those together. Oh, you can't put them together. Sorry. I'm gonna make your name capital. Sorry. You're a proper noun. One little thing. Okay, we don't need to separate these. You don't always have to say these things again, right? So we can just change the they. Make me feel peaceful. Love pine forest because they, sorry. Not pine. Right, so we can kind of make our sentences shorter, but more information. We can combine things. Start making your sentences complex, which means when you're reading things that are more complex, you can write more complex sentences. Just how the brain works, okay? But yeah, other students, click on that link. I'm gonna start getting you guys to do stuff, okay? Because doing things helps you learn. It doesn't help you learn. It helps your brain remember. So if you guys should watch that movie Inside Out. It kind of has a nice message about emotions, but it also talks about how our brain can just forget things. And then when we have a pleasant memory or even a bad memory that is connected with an event, we remember it and it stays inside of us. Sometimes it's bad, sometimes it's good. But your brain works like that when you're learning something, when you're learning a new language. You know, you watch something, you remember a word. You hear music, you remember a word. I'll make this an assignment. You guys can do this at any time. Just grab a square from anywhere. Make your own square. You can change the colors. I'm gonna change your color. Shema, what's your favorite color? Just type in, yeah. Black. Alright, let's make it black. We'll make the font white. Why not? They make this white. Look at that. So punk rock. I love flowers and trees. Nice. What's your favorite color, Khan? I've been liking yellow lately. Cyan. Man. Cayenne. How do you say that word? This one? Look at that. That's cayenne. I'm gonna make these bigger. You're welcome. It's so bright. I love it. What a color. CMYK, cayenne, magenta, yellow, and what's K? All you computer nerds out there. All right, enough of that. Let's move on. We always do a warm up in my class. It could be something about like today's nature. Last on Tuesday was talking about movies. Okay. So yeah, Google Slides. Practice using it. You can use it for your presentations. Okay, the nice thing about it, if you want to work together with somebody, just share the link. You guys can make a presentation not in the same room. You can be anywhere in the world. You make a presentation together. And then, yeah, you can send it to anybody. You never lose it because it's just stuck on Google Drive somewhere. Just make sure you name everything. That's what you guys don't do. Make sure you name it. I'm going to name this week 3 Nature Warmup. All right. So get out to nature. Nature heals. Nature survives. Nature is scary.